Okay, I'm prepped for my salad that I'm going to put in my canning jars. And this will last me about 5 to 7 days. So I got the John Souls chicken. It's fully cooked. I got the blackened chicken and the fajita chicken. Got this kind of cheese, sharp cheddar. I got seedless cucumber, but I see some seeds in it. And I paid 50 cents extra for no seeds. I got red onion, bell pepper strips, some boiled eggs I'm going to chop up, black olives, tomatoes, there's the cheese, here's the lettuce, here's some more premium romaine salad. And I'll be using French style salad dressing and also the Russian dressing. And I got some sweet hot apple pickle juice. I have some pickle chunks. They're gone. I'll be putting in my crushed red pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, and some white pepper. So let's get to it. I'm not putting any salt in here. Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to make some mason jar salads. So I'm going to fix 6 salads. And they'll last in the refrigerator about 7 days. Just make sure your jars are clean. And you screw the top on tightly. Okay, let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to start with my salad dressing. I'm going to put it in the bottom of the jar. This is the sweet and tangy French dressing. I like any red or orange salad dressing. I guess that's enough. Now I want my meat to marinate at the chicken, so I'm going to put it in the bottom of the jar.
And this is the female. The female, that's her egg.
Y'all see what I'm doing. That's right, I got my garbanzo beans in my microwave. I microwaved them. They were in the can, so I drained them, rinsed them, and microwaved them. So I want this meat to marinate in the sauce. I mean the salad dressing. Not enough meat. You put your salad, your greens at the very top, because you don't want the leaves to wilt from being wet. Garbanzo beans. Okay. What else is wet?
Well, let's really be flavor like that, because yeah, people get to run in the mouth, and yeah, she could.
This needs some more meat.
Be jealous or whatever.
I like a good hearty salad. Okay. Okay, what else? Get some tomatoes. These are Roma tomatoes. Oops. Oh, this knife needs to be sharpened. I use this little paring knife for everything. You can use the little cherry tomatoes too. You don't have to cut them at all. Or you can just slice them in half. Okay. I like onion a whole lot. Putting the onion in here. Might put another layer of onion because I like it a lot. Raw onion. I don't like no grilled onion at all. These are inch slivers, so I really don't have to cut them.
Oh, and the other dog? Okay.
Okay. Cucumber.
Something from you, that job that you're trying to get, and you got it.
Okay, at this point I want some bell pepper.
Okay. Good luck you too now. All right, bye-bye now.
I love bell pepper. Sometimes I put bell pepper on my hamburgers. All these vegetables have been washed. Okay. Now I'm putting in the black olives. Okay. Handful of black olives. I like black olives. I like all olives. I like the green ones. Okay, what else? Clean my hands. At this point, I'll put the eggs in here and the cheese. dropping stuff on the floor. More onion. Put some red pepper up in here. No salt. Some granulated garlic. Y'all know I like to season stuff, not too much. Granulated onion, even though I got onion in here. Come on now, I can't open this. Oh Lord. If I can't open it, it means I don't need it. Got some Italian seasoning blend. There's no salt in any of these things I'm sprinkling in here. Look at MzBrazell beans. You can open up a can of corn and throw it in there. But these beans are protein, as well as the meat protein. So if you don't eat meat, you can put the beans in there. That's your protein. Here's my salad greens. Washed. I tried to blot them dry. So you can cram. I think I'm gonna tear these. If you cut lettuce with a metal knife, that'll turn the leaves brown before their time. So you either cut them with a plastic knife or just tear them with your hands. Shove that salad down in there. Just shove it down in there. When you get ready to eat, just turn the jar upside down and dump it. Open it and dump it in a bowl. And your salad dressing is already in here. I'm also using this salad. I'm not washing this premium romaine. Salad has romaine lettuce, carrots, and red cabbage. I wanted some shredded carrots, but I didn't want to shred them myself, and I couldn't find any. That's it. I'm going to fill the other jars off camera. And these came with the regular metal lids with the little rings inside. But I bought these. I bought these jars about maybe 2 or 3 years ago. And I said I was going to make these salads. Never did. And now I'm just not getting around to it. These should last a week in the refrigerator. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, here are my seasoned high protein salads prepped for the week. Okay, and they will keep for a week in the refrigerator. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. And I'll do another video of me enjoying one of my salads.